Hi my angels, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this look that I am wearing right now. Let's get started. Today I will start with this Pixi Glow Tonic. I am going to use a cotton pad to clean my face with this tonic. I am going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. In my previous videos, you have seen me using this brow pomade. I use this brow pomade a lot because it's one of my favorite brow pomade. Next, what I am going to do is prime my eyelids. For that, I am using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Today I am going to use this eyeshadow palette Topaz Obsessions from Huda Beauty for this look. I am going to use this light brown color as my transition shade and I kept blending this color all over my crease. And the brush I am using for this, the PAC blending brush. Next I will be using this darker brown shade from this same palette. To apply this shade, I am using this Sigma E30 pencil brush. I am going to blend this in my inner corner area and in my outer V area and also in my crease area. I am going to use this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the middle part of my eyelids. Then I am taking this shade, which is a very gorgeous shade, and I am going to press this in the middle part of my eyelids. And for this I am using this PAC 382 medium shader brush. Now I will take this same brown shade and I am going to blend it around the edges. Next I am using a black eyeshadow on my upper lash line. So now for my waterline, I am going to use this Plum Kajal. I will curl my lashes using eyelash curler. And now to finish up the eyes, I am using this e.l.f. mascara. And also add a pair of false eyelashes. Now it's time to hydrate my skin. And for that, I am going to use this Color Bar Blue Light Defense Luminous Moisturizing Cream. Next, I am using this Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base Primer. For today's makeup look, I am going to use this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. This foundation provides medium to full coverage. And the creamy texture of this foundation blends in seamlessly to conceal imperfections. And now I am using the same concealer which I have already used on my eyes. After that, I am using this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder Banana Bread. For contouring, I am using Pose HD Bronzer Duo by MyGlam. Today for blush, I am using this Imagic Touch Blush Palette. Next is the highlighting part. For that, I am going to use this Marie Luminizer highlighter. For today's look, I have chosen this Milani lipstick and the shade I am using is Devotion. Now I will complete the rest of my eye makeup. I am going to use the same light shade on my lower lash line. Now one more time I am using the black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. To finish my makeup look, I will use this MAC Pro Plus Prime. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Facebook. Love you guys. Bye bye.